If you're looking for an off-road worthy motor coach, this could be the one. Hey, this is Dave over at Brett's RV and Marine in beautiful and sunny Missoula, Montana this week. Today, I've got a quick look and overview of what this vehicle is all about.
Good afternoon, this is David at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana. Today I'm going to be showing you the rugged 2023 Tranquility 19L. I'm going to go over some of the bullet points with you today, so let's get started. Starting here at the back, we have a 3,500 pound weight hitch. We have our Thule bike rack, store your bike, store extra storage. Watch your head as you're opening this. I've seen it before, somebody bonks their head on this, opens up nice and wide for us here. And as we look in the back, we see this nice open storage space right here. Store your gear, has all the different accessory parts, including your electric plugs. Just above, we have our sleeping bunk right here where you can sleep two people nice and comfortably. So just above the countertop, we have this Technoform European style cabinetry. It's very lightweight cabinetry that gives the Motorcoach a really nice streamlined look. Just behind the driver's seat of this Mercedes 2500 chassis, we have a built-in workstation with a swivel arm so you can slide your computer around. Underneath, there's a couple of plugins. Makes it nice and convenient for you to do any type of work that you need to. And above that, built-in TV. By the way, the unit has 200 watts of solar with 400 hours of amp service and an amazing cassette toilet you can unload anywhere. For more questions on this, as well as anything else we have here at Brett's RV, go to brettsrv.com, ask for me. My name's David. I'm happy to help you out.